Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Forza Horizon 5 connecting issues and how you can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So I'll be also providing a link in the description where you can read this article regarding Forza Horizon on our website Get Show Tips. So we have updated many more articles and you can check it out also. So let's dive into the solution. So the first one is what you have to do is you have to make sure that your Forza Horizon, if it's having any kind of update, you have to update the game, and that is what you have to do. And moving on to the first one, apart from updating the Horizon, is you just have to make sure if it's going through any kind of server issues, so you just have to make sure that it's not going through any kind of server issues. So definitely when server issues are down, you'll be having connecting issues, so it is also very important. So moving on to the next solution is all about you have to make sure that you're having internet connection. So if it's connected to the Wi-Fi or something, make sure that you're having enough internet connection, that your Wi-Fi routers are working good. And also in some cases, you just have to, either Wi-Fi routers are working good but you're still having a trouble. So what you have to do is you just have to turn off your router for around hardly 30 to 40 seconds. Then you just have to wait for it and you have to turn it back once again. And you have to see whether you are able to play the game and you're having any kind of issues or not. And most probably by this, regarding the technical issues regarding to the internet, this has to be fixed. But even after trying this, if it's not working, then we have solution number 4 and 5 is that you just have to verify the game via Steam. So to do this, you just have to go over here on the game, on the library. You just have to go to the open Steam and go to library. Now from here you just have to right click and you have to go to properties. Now from here you have to click on local files. Then we have option called verify integrity of game files. You just have to go for it and you have to wait for it, and most probably this is going to take a little bit time. So once after that, this has to be fixed, and even after trying this, if it's not working, then you don't have to worry. We have solution number followed by this one. So the next one is all about you have to do is that you just have to do a flush DNS on your Windows. So to do this, just have to go over here in the search and you have to go for cmd and you just have to open this. Now you have to give a command. I can give that in the description so you don't have to worry. That is ipconfig space flush DNS and you just have to press enter, and that is what you have to do. You just have to press enter, and once it is done, you just have to close this and you have to do a restart and you have to see whether you are done with the issue or not. And if it's still persisting with the issue, you just have to do one more thing, which is the last and the least one, that you just have to go over here. You have to navigate to settings. Now from here you just have to go to privacy and security, and from here you just have to go for Windows security. Now from here we have virus and threat protection. You just have to click on this, and under virus and threat protection there is an option called manage settings. You just have to click on this, and we have real-time protection, cloud delivered protection, etc. So you just have to turn this off, go for yes, and once it is done with it, just have to try, and most probably the issue regarding this will be fixed, and you can turn this off once you're done with the game. For any other purpose you can turn this off. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having trouble with the Forza Horizon connecting issues and how to fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.